What if I told you that you can start making money on Fiverr using AI even if you have no skills? In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners are using AI to create Fiverr services, get clients, and start earning online. You don't need to be designer, programmer, or freelancer to make money on Fiverr anymore. With AI, you can create valuable services in minutes, and today I will show you how you can turn that into a real Fiverr income. So make sure to watch this video until the end, because if you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making money with Fiverr. Okay, so for you guys as beginners and you guys want to start making money on Fiverr and you guys don't have any skills, any experience, you guys right now have access to AI tools that will help you to start providing an easy services that are making good money here on Fiverr. Okay, so first step, you guys need to create Fiverr account like this one. So what you will do, you will go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. Once you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so the easy service, guys, that you guys can start providing here on Fiverr using AI is YouTube thumbnails. Let me show you and show you how much people are making. Okay, people here on Fiverr, they are making crazy money from those thumbnails services. Okay, let me show you. If we click here on the search and we search for YouTube thumbnail, it's even already popular right now, meaning, guys, that this service has high demand. People are paying for this service right now, which is very, very good for you as a beginner. So because this is the kind of services that you guys can start selling here on Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do, you will search, guys, for YouTube thumbnail. To show you, I will search for YouTube thumbnail, and here you go. You guys can see we have a lot of sellers here provide YouTube thumbnails and they are making crazy money, guys. Look at this, the first one, it's providing this service for $55. You guys can see here starting from $55, and this one single seller has over 1,000 reviews, meaning that over 1,000 people paid for this service using just this one single seller. So this seller has made a lot of money. Here is another one promoting also, guys, this YouTube thumbnail, and here is another one starting from $5. Here is another one, and we have a lot. Here is another one. You guys can see this one is top rated seller. So let's check this one, guys, as an example to show you guys how much they are making. Okay, and the potential of this business if you start from today. Okay, how much you can start also making. Let's take this one as an example. I will click on his service like this, and you guys can see this is what I'm talking about. You guys can see this seller has 13 orders in queue, okay, which is very good. Over 12,000 people paid for this service using just this one single seller, and he has already 13 orders in queue, which is very, very good. This service, guys, this seller is providing this service for $50. Okay, let's calculate this. Okay, let's go to Google. 12,000 reviews. Let's see how much this seller has made on Fiverr, which is really crazy, guys. Let's take just 12,000 reviews, meaning that 12,000 people paid for this service using this just one single seller, and he is selling YouTube thumbnails for $50. Okay, so let's see how much he made. Here you go. You see, that's crazy, guys. $600,000. This seller, guys, this one single seller made $600,000 selling just YouTube thumbnails, which is really crazy, guys. You see, and they are easy to make right now, guys. With the help of AI, it's easy to start providing this YouTube thumbnail as a service on Fiverr. You guys can see, like, do some thumbnails here, they are very, very easy to make. Let me show you. Like this one, it's easy to make. You see this one, just got his thumbnail just today, just about 51 minutes, because people are still paying for this service, guys, meaning that it's still working. So meaning for you, if you started today, it's not saturated, it's still working, and people are still paying for this service on Fiverr. Okay, you guys can see here is another one. Let me show you. Here is another one. They just paid, you guys can see, which is really crazy. Look at this one, 1 week just paid for this thumbnail using this seller for $50. This is crazy, guys. Okay, let's take this thumbnail as an example, guys, like this one. Okay, I will save this thumbnail to my laptop to show you guys how you can make like those thumbnails just using AI without any skills and without any experience, and start providing it here on Fiverr as a service. let me save this image to my laptop like this, to this YouTube thumbnail. And what I will do next, guys, so to start making like those thumbnails, let me show you. I can use AI and I can use Google Gemini. You guys can go and open a Google Gemini account like this. You will click here on this icon and click on create image, okay? And I will click again on this icon and click on upload file to show you. And I will upload this YouTube thumbnail to Google Gemini, and I will make a YouTube thumbnail like this one, okay? Let me show you. So you guys can see here I uploaded this example, and I will ask Google Gemini to create a YouTube high quality thumbnails like this one and change just the person. We will change just this person inside this thumbnail, okay? I will click here on submit. Guys, please, also the more details you give to Google Gemini in your prompt, the best quality you get, okay? And to make it easy and simple so you can start, you don't, to show you guys that the proof that you don't need to be smart to start this business, okay? Just I type it, just a simple prompt, create a YouTube high quality thumbnail like this one and change just the person. Here you go. You see, guys, that's amazing. It's done. You see, it's like this one. It's even better. Our thumbnail is even better. Look at this, okay? I can go and provide this as a service on Fiverr like this one that I made here on Google Gemini. I can go and start selling YouTube thumbnails on Fiverr. So you guys can go and provide this as a service on Fiverr. You guys can see, you just need to use AI and that's it. And you can create high quality thumbnails, okay? Let me show you. When the client will contact you here on Fiverr, he will send you the details of his thumbnails. He can send you his pictures, he can send you the details, the description of his thumbnails. What you will do, you take those information and you go back to Google Gemini and paste those pictures that this client sent you here on Google Gemini and paste his description, make it as a prompt, send it to Google Gemini, and Google Gemini will create high quality YouTube thumbnail for you like this one, and you go back to Fiverr and deliver this thumbnail to your client and start making money on Fiverr without any skills and without any experience. I hope you guys appreciate this video and subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please just let me know in the comments and I will start making a lot of videos with different and share with you guys different services that you guys can start selling here on Fiverr just by using AI, okay? Because I also have been doing freelancing, guys. I have been a seller on Fiverr for I think for like 6 years ago or 7 years ago, and I made a good money also from Fiverr freelancing here. So I have a good experience and I can share with you guys my experience. If you are interested in like those videos, just let me know in the comment Fiverr or freelancing and I will start making more videos like this, okay? And you guys can see the proof I shared with you. It's still working. It's not saturated. People are still getting orders. You guys can see here. If we go to another, let me show you. We go to the first one. Let's click on the first one to see. Yes, 9 orders in queue. You guys can see here 9 orders in queue. If we go to another one, let me pick like this one. Let's see. Like here is another one. It's getting orders. People, meaning that the service is not saturated. It's still working. So you just need to create. So guys, also to create a Fiverr seller account, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage like this. You scroll down. Let me show you. You can go and scroll down and go to over here to for freelancers. You guys can see this option here for freelancers. You click on become a Fiverr freelancer and you will follow a few steps to create a Fiverr seller account and start providing this YouTube thumbnail as a service here on Fiverr. You once you get your client and get your first order, you go to AI make it, you come back to Fiverr, you deliver your order to your clients or to your customers and you get paid. And that's it. That's exactly, guys, how you can make money with Fiverr using AI without any skills and any experience. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.